Yo, what is up guys, Tomzon here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys on how to get 5 modded paint jobs in GTA 5 Online. If you do end up enjoying any one of these modded paint jobs in GTA 5 Online, I'd greatly appreciate it if you guys can go ahead and drop a like. That's all I ask from you guys, and yeah. Anyways, shout out to these guys for being first on my last video. If you guys want a shout out on the next video I post, all you guys gotta do is be first on a future video. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you do end up liking today's video, consider subscribing. It's free and you guys can always change your mind. And before today's video does start, a word from our sponsor. If you're looking for a GTA 5 mod account or even account boosting after the latest Rockstar money wipe and account reset for GTA 5 Online, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Criminal Mods for cheap and reliable GTA Cast services. They have mod accounts for PlayStation 4, PC, and even Xbox One coming soon. So if you guys are looking for GTA 5 mod accounts, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Criminal Mods down below. And yeah guys, let's get into the video. Now the first mod paint job in today's video is going to be this neon purple right here. A lot of people have been asking me how do I get this modded paint job on all of my vehicles, even though I have showed this modded paint job right here before on previous videos, but people still ask me how do I get it. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys right off the bat. So this right here is the modded crew color. You guys can get it two ways. You guys can get it by joining my crew or making your own crew and getting the hex code. The hex code is right here on the screen if you guys want to go ahead and copy it and put it into your own crew. But if you guys do not want to make your own crew and want to go ahead and join my crew, it's going to be a link down below. But as of the moment of recording this video, both of my crews are full currently. So I don't know if you guys are going to be able to join. If there is a space, you guys can go ahead and try. But as of the moment, both of my crews are full, both of them time and time V2 design. So yeah. But as I said previously, if you guys do not want to join my crew, you guys can always just get the hex code, which is on the screen right now. Go ahead and copy it and put it into your own crew. And that's pretty much it on how to get this modded paint job. And also, this is my favorite mod paint job because it changes colors in different scenarios. So if you're like in daylight, it's like a bright pink, and then nighttime it's a dark purple. So this right here, this neon purple, is one of my favorite modded paint jobs and modded crew colors in the whole game. I've had this crew color right here for a while now. I've been using it for a while. But yeah, this right here is my number one modded paint job / crew color in the whole game. So yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and get it, you guys can join the crew, or you guys can just go ahead and copy the hex code into your own crew. So yeah, on to the next one. Now the next modded paint job I'll be showcasing for you guys is going to be this greenish yellow looking modded paint job right here. So all you want to do is come over to resprays. Once you are here, come over to your primary colors, pick the Metallica, and all you want to do now is go ahead and put on the gasoline green, which is number 41. So it's going to be right here. There you go, past it right here. So this right here, you want to go ahead and put on the gasoline green for your Metallica on primary colors, and you just want to do the same thing for your secondary color on Metallica. So just go ahead and put on the gasoline green as well, okay? So here it is. So once you guys have the gasoline green, all you guys want to do now is back out and come over to your primary colors and go ahead and put on a pearlescent. And all you guys want to do for the pearlescent is go ahead and put on the race yellow, which is number 34. So there we go, past it, here we go. So this is how it looks like, the modded paint job right here. So as you guys can see, this thing looks clean and it's really easy to get. You just want to go ahead and put on a primary color, a secondary, and a pearlescent. That's pretty much it. And this thing literally looks nice on all angles, okay? So let me just go ahead and take it outside and show you guys on how it looks like in the sunlight, okay? So this is how the modded paint job here looks like out in the sunlight. So if you do like this one, I would recommend to go ahead and get it, since I don't see many people even using this modded paint job right here in GTA 5. So if you guys do like this one, I would recommend to go ahead and get it, since not a lot of people even use this one. And yeah, on to the next modded paint job. Now the next modded paint job I'll be showing you on today's video is going to be this dark purple with a red modded paint job, alright? So you'll see what I'm talking about. So come over to your primary colors, and once you're here, go ahead and put on the midnight purple, which is number 70. Once you have put this on your primary color, do the same thing on your secondary. So just go ahead and put on the midnight purple again. So there you go. Once you have it on both of your primary and secondary, come over to your primary again, and all you want to do is go ahead and put on your pearlescent. And all you want to do now is come over here to red number 14. But guys, this is honestly, any color would go good with this color right here. So if you don't like the red one, you guys can go ahead and put on whatever other pearlescent. But the red one looks nice with the red rims, like the red tire brakes and everything. This right here just goes nice with the car. So I would recommend to go ahead and get this one, because this thing just looks clean, especially outside, okay? So make sure you guys go ahead and copy it, and let me just go ahead and take it outside and show you guys a showcase of it in the sunlight. So as you can see, this thing looks pretty nice. It goes nice with like the backlights, the tire brakes, which are red and everything. Also, I think this here would look pretty nice with the F1 red wheels. You know, like with the tire design, with those like the red F1 wheel tire design, like the, I don't even know the name. But if you go ahead and put that with the F1 wheels, it will look pretty nice with that. So yeah, this right here is number 3 on the list. And now onto the next model paint job. Now the next model paint job I'll be showcasing is going to be a blue pink color, so I'll show you guys on how to get it. So come to Respray's primary color. Once you're here, go ahead and pick the Metallica. Once you're on Metallica, all you want to do is go ahead and head over to Surf Blue, which is number 50. So just keep on scrolling until you find it. So it should be right here. There you go, Surf Blue. Go ahead and put this here on for your Metallica on your primary color, and you just want to go ahead and do the same exact thing for your secondary on Metallic. Okay, so go ahead and put on the Surf Blue on here as well. So there you go, Surf Blue right there. Now once you guys have the Surf Blue, back out and come with your primary color. Once you're here, come over to your pearlescent, and all you want to do is go ahead and put on the hot pink. Okay, so it should be right here. There you go, hot pink right there. Okay, now once you guys have the hot pink, you guys are done. Now this thing right here does change colors sometimes. Sometimes if you're in the dark time, it's like a pink slash, I don't even know, but the color does change. Sometimes it looks pink, sometimes it looks blue. But yeah, but this right here, I'll rank this one right here probably second out of all these, like all these colors right here. But you know, number 1 is gonna be the neon purple, but this one right here I rank as second out of all on this list. So as you can see, this thing does change colors right here. Sometimes it looks pink, sometimes it looks blue, but it depends on like what kind of lighting you're in. Okay, so on to the next model paint job. Now last but not least is going to be a modded orange. So let me go ahead and show you guys on how to get it. So come with your Respray's primary color. Once you're here, come to your Metallica, and all you want to do is go ahead and put on a sunrise orange. Okay, so it's going to be right here. There you go, sunrise orange right here. Go ahead and put it on, and you just want to go ahead and do the same exact thing for your secondary color. So just come with some Metallica and put on the sunrise orange on here as well. There you go. Once you have the sunrise orange on your primary and secondary, back out, come with your primary again, and then come with your pearlescent, and all you want to do is go ahead and put on a race yellow. Okay, there you go, race yellow right here. Once you have it, you guys are done with this modded orange color. Now guys, this color right here looks nice in the sunlight, especially like in the morning when it's like sunrise and all that. It just looks nice. So this here is probably one of the best ones. I rank this one probably 4th, but I don't know. Comment down below what you guys rate these colors right here. And this is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys want more videos, can you hit 200 likes on today's video, and I'll post another one of these modded paint jobs. And yeah guys, Tom's on, sign out. Peace.